Good evening, students. Welcome back to my channel, Smart Coding, Special Energy. It includes various concepts on Java programming, notes, and computer solutions for ICC students and for beginners. So today in this video, we'll learn about a small program using methods to add and subtract two numbers. So let's start. See, the question is write a program to add and subtract two numbers using methods. So for this, we have to declare a method here, class here first, then two variables, sum1 and sub1 to store the result inside, and then we would write one method over here as you can see over here, that is public int sum int a comma int b. This is the method declarations, and this is the actual working of the method as I said in the last video, and it returns the sum1 because it is integer type. The return type is integer type. Okay, now similarly we'll write a subtract method as you can see over here in this slide. One method I've written same as sum method, public int sub int c int d, the method declaration, and this is the method body inside the curly brackets. Now this is a display method to display the results of sum1 and sub1. Okay, now from the main method we will call the each methods to get the actual output. Let's see. So from the main method we are creating two variables, which is called an instance variable, or sorry, it's called a local variable. After that, we'll create an object of a method demo class. Then using that object, we'll call all these methods. Keep in mind, all these methods are non-static methods. That's why we have to call using objects. So just have a look of this programming to get an idea how a program works or how a program can be done using methods. And if it is useful for you students, don't forget to like, share, comments, and subscribe. Okay, to get more interesting videos like this, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.